What's up, family? This is Yasir, and coming to you this evening. It's a little late, but I just wanted to make a quick video here. A lot of times technology grows so quickly that we often forget about perfectly relevant pieces of technology that we can still use today that cost us a lot less than the new technology. So one thing I wanted to kind of take a look back at is the GoPro Hero 3. As everybody knows, the GoPro Hero 6 Black is out, which is great. It's great 4K video and at 60 frames per second, 1080p, and anything else below that you might need. And it's great for traveling on the go, vacations, stuff like that. It's still a great action camera, but for those that may not be able to afford the price tag of the GoPro Hero 6, or just trying to get into something entry level, this GoPro Hero 3 is still very relevant and a very, very capable video camera. I still use it to this day, and at the end of this video I'm going to post some video clips to show that it's still can put out very high quality video for you at 1080p, very sharp, a lot of noise reduction, and so I think you guys will like what you see. So like I said, it's not going to be a quick video, but this is what it looks like. And of course this one had no viewfinder. With this series you had to buy the separate viewfinder pack that you could buy separately, and it would attach. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it would attach on the back. And these also came with separate battery packs that you could buy separately too. Now I've got cases for this. One would be two waterproof cases, and one let more sound in, and the other blocked sound out for further waterproof functionality. And it works really great. I took this on vacation, the last cruise I went on, and had it underwater, and it worked great. So, but as you can see, or I hope you can see, up here you see the plug that you plug the charger into, and then there's a mini HDMI, so you can hook it up to your television. That's a separate purchase for the mini HDMI plug, and then this is your slot for the memory card reader. And again, I hope all this is coming through, focusing in here on the video. But yeah, so like I said, it's light and a very capable camera. And as an accessory, you can pick up one of these little extended tripods. You can still get them at Walmart, or you can pick one up off of Amazon. And it's kind of like you can use it just as a stick to hold, or you can mount it. This just actually screws in here. Well, it comes like this, and then when you want to mount it, or on a desk or something like that, you unscrew it, then put it back on like this, and then the legs fold out, and then you just sit it down like that. You can tilt it, tighten it back down, however you need. And so I've got this to use for like video making and things like that. And here's another extension piece. So and then it also comes with some additional clips, for some additional mounts for helmets, or if you need to replace one that you're going to mount on your desk, something like that. So it comes with a lot of little accessories, and like I said, it's still to this day, it's a very, very capable little video pocket camera, and takes great pictures as well. Kind of gives you that fish eye. So really for pictures, I primarily would use like my phone, because it doesn't give you that fisheye effect on the phone that it does that you get with the camera. But nevertheless, great camera. I'd highly recommend it. You can pick one of these up in the link below. If you know, like I said, if you just want something really cheap, pick it up for maybe probably 150 to 200 bucks, if that. You know, just something to get you going, and it's not going to cost you, you know, an arm and a leg to get it. So yeah, just again, I didn't want to make this too long, but enjoy the footage at the end of this video that's coming up, just to show you what the 1080p 30 frames per second video looks like to this day on the GoPro Hero 3. So thanks again for tuning in, and let me know if you liked this video by giving me a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. Give me your feedback in the comments. If you've got one of these, let me know how you like it. If you prefer one of the new ones, like the 5 or 6, let me know if you've picked one of those up as well. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bro.